ওয়েলকাম বন্ধুরা, my name is Saurabh Kormukar. Let's code our first C program. At first we make the programming structure, then we talk about the structure thing. So let's start. Hashtag include stdio.h hashtag include conio.h void main curly braces, open and close curly braces. We make our programming structure. Now, what is the stadio.h and conio.h? In programming language, it's called header files. A header file is a file with .h extension. Header file contains C function declaration with it. We request to use header file by including them with C processing directive. stdio.h refers standard input output.h and conio.h refers console input output.h. In programming language, there are two types of header files. Ones come with the compiler, other the programmer writes. Next, the main function. What is the main function? In programming language, main function shows the type of the program. Is it return type or not? In our program, we do not return anything to our program. That's why we using void main function. Next, the curly braces. In between the curly braces, we can write our code. So let's code our first program, printing the hello world. So start print f first bracket open and close. In between the quotes, double quotes, write hello world. Puts colon. Now close the program using the getch function call. So at first we talk about the printf. What is printf? A printf is a function call comes with the stdio.h function declaration. Using this printf function call, we can write anything in our program. And what is the getch? Does here getch holds the program and it's come with the conio.h function declaration. Without getch, we can't run our programming. That's why we using getch function call. So let's run our program. Before running, make sure you save the program as a file name. Hello world. Save. Now run our program. Run. See, it's print hello world. 2 times. Compiler error. Let's fix it. Put CLRSCR, clear screen function call, is used for clear the output console. Now run our program. See, it's print hello world. So, thank you. Please like this video.